I've made these dumplings 3 times now and they are so good. First sift flour, add salt, make a little well. Next add your yeast water mixture to the well, mix it all up, then knead the dough with your hands for about 10 minutes. Next let the dough rise for about 30 minutes. Knead the dough again until you get a smooth ball and let it rest for 1 hour. This time take the dough and flatten it out. Next you want to roll it up like a cinnamon roll, then you want to cut the roll into equal pieces. Take each piece and flatten it out with your hand. Next you want to roll each piece into a flat circle shape. This is optional, but I like to use a little lid in my kitchen to help make even dumpling shapes. See how cute they look? Okay, for the dumpling filling, I like to add all the ingredients you see on the screen. It's a lot, but it's so good. I also like to stir the meat going in one direction for about 5 to 7 minutes until I get a paste-like consistency. Back to the dumpling dough, roll out the edges so that the middle is the thickest. Add your dumpling filling. In my opinion, this is the easiest dumpling shape. I can't do the pleated one, but this is foolproof. Then I add the dumplings to an oiled cast iron, add water, bring it to a boil while covered. You'll know that it's done when you hear a cracking sound. They're crispy on the bottom, fluffy on the top, and juicy on the inside.